All right, so I often get asked all the time the process of doing an estimate for a client. Sometimes by other subcontractors do ask me, or even sometimes clients ask me, what are the steps we take in terms of generating an estimate or a quote for any project. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys to show you guys. Okay, so step number one, typically we'll get a drawing like this, sort of like a blueprint like this. As you can see, I have multiple screens. So I have main screen here, I have second screen, and then we have split, just kind of minimize the PDF. So first thing I typically do is I scan through the drawing. We create a scope of work. So this is a scope of work that you get from either from the site visit or the client will send it to you. So what I do is I go through the scope of work. As you can see, stone cladding, etc. You go through the drawings, you have all your measurements on the drawings and the blueprint. So I get it scaled and I do all my takeoff. As you can see, I have all the square footage of the different areas, whether it's floor tile, wall paint, etc. And then I open my spreadsheet, which is where I input all my data from the drawings that has been extracted. And then you just do your scope of work here. And then we have a column that have the unit, takeoff for the unit, and you have your price per unit, whether it's price per square feet or you do material plus labor, whatever pricing system you have. So this is the best way. That way you can ensure that you have an accurate quote. You're not missing anything. Each area is identified by the divisions, division 1 and onward. So as you can see, we have the electrical, HVAC, plumbing, countertop, millwork. So when we have it in different divisions, so this helps flooring. This helps with ensuring that you have an accurate quote. You're not overpricing or underpricing, and you're confident with the pricing that you bid on the project. As I said, so step number one, you get the drawings, scope of work, and you get your estimation system. Either you do highlighting. I use a software that does the estimating, that does all the takeoff, get your measurement confirmed, put it on here on the spreadsheet. It gives you a total number when it's all said and done, and that's what goes in the proposal. And that's how we get our estimating out. I thought I'll share, might be informative for you guys, but we don't have all this information to the client. It's just more of the back end work.